fantastic talk and tour with Balázs. Very knowledgeable and helpful. Very clear. Patient and tall, helpful on a busy day with a lot of people. Esther was amazing. She is passionate, energetic and funny. Loved to hear so much information and details about Hungary's history, and it was easy listening to all of it. Plus she gave us extra time to take pictures and made sure everyone was enjoying despite our big group size. Would do a tour with Esther again without hesitation. Tip: book from the free tour community website rather than Get Your Guide or Booking. I had to pay an administrative fee via Get Your Guide to book the tour, and it doesn't even go to the tour guides. Very interesting. Guide was very knowledgeable and personable. I would definitely recommend this tour. Balázs was fantastic. Great experience with an excellent tour guide. Keep up the great work, you are amazing, Balázs. I hope I wrote the name correctly. Excellent tour, Dora. Our tour guide was excellent and very funny, which made tour that more enjoyable. An experience not to miss if in Budapest. Our guide took us on this beautiful tour, telling us about Hungarian history. Highly recommended. The informations were very accurate and learned a lot about Hungary. Thanks a lot to Balázs, he makes a very good job. Great tour guide. Andrei was great. Just the right amount of information and stories. Even in a light sprinkle of rain, it was a fun day. Would highly recommend. We really enjoyed our afternoon tour of the Castle District with Andrei. He was very knowledgeable, and shared the best of the area, along with some interesting anecdotes. Absolutely exceptional. Balázs was a funny, clear, and attentive guide, with brilliant explanations and excellent answers to questions. I highly recommend him. My partner and I loved it. Gary and Bela were amazing tour guides. Gary's wealth of knowledge was second to none, with a fun and quirky add of some random facts, my favorite being the reason the cross on top of the crown is crooked. Bela was a little more reserved but did allow you give her a little scratch behind her ears now and then, and with a little tail wag she was off to do her job. Lol, and all an excellent way to spend a couple of hours seeing some of the most beautiful sights. 10/10 would recommend X. The guide was very informative about the history of Buda and Pest, right from the very beginning of Hungary and all the important people liked and disliked during that time, spoke about communism and liberation. Very good guide, I would recommend this tour with him. Esther was an amazing tour guide. Very knowledgeable and shared historical and current facts we did not previously know about Budapest. Well worth the time. Their very interactive and professional guide tour with Rita, great job. We saw all the interesting places and a lot of history.